We have a special guest in the studio with us today, and we have asked her to move from her busy schedule, from trying to investigate all different things on the entertainment scene, and grace her with her presence in the studio with us. On the other end of the microphone, we have Miss Keshima Francis. Good afternoon, Mrs. Keshima. Miss Keshima Francis, how are you, dear?
Hi, Muta. I'm good.
Okay, I'm sorry to remove you from your desk, especially at this moment in time.
Are you sorry, Muta? Are you sorry?
No, I'm not sorry. Sorry,
exactly.
What? You come talk because you wait tell me now. After I tell you, say, why you come talk, you tell me, you don't want to talk to the lawyer. And the would spend half an hour and can't get the lawyer. So you still have to come talk. You understand? All right, now. The Buju thing is a main thing, I know, because there's something we don't understand about it. I really want a clarity about the whole thing. All right. Buju declared, say, them put a gun charge on him, and them say, if him go to court again, him liable to get 5 more years for the 10 years.
Right.
All right. So, him go to court again. But meanwhile, going to court now, them find out, so one of the jury, them, did I do some things on the computer there where kind of compromise the case. All right. We don't hear about the jury compromising the case that other day, but we hear about, say, well, reading the 5 years thing now going to work out because them drop the gun charge on him. I thought that the case would be null and void for Buju, including the 10 years, because of the juror. So, I don't know if you can give me a light on it. What really happened there, so?
All right. Based on information that's coming out, well, first of all, we had tried to contact Buju Banton's lawyer, but yesterday they flew from Florida after the case to Mississippi, and today they are in meetings and are unable to basically do an interview. No, Judge Moody, he found cause to believe that Wright, that's the juror, Terry Wright, that she researched a legal theory called the Pinkerton rule, which was discussed during the jury instructions and may have been a topic of confusion among jurors. Now, here's how it applied. If Buju was found to be part of the drug conspiracy, the Pinkerton rule allowed jurors to also hold him liable for the gun carried by conspirator James Mack. So even though
who was involved in the drug thing too?
Right, who they found the gun on.
Yeah.
Right. So no, that's an automatic 5 years.
Yeah.
Right? No, but because they found out that she had done research,
yes,
that 5 years.
Yeah, that's a compromise. The 5,
right?
So that's what the 5 years.
Right. So that's how it was thrown out. But no, Buju Banton's lawyer is saying that if we can't believe her on the Pinkerton rule because she did go do research to try to justify it so the jurors could have a better understanding, how can they believe anything else?
Yes.
So now they're looking at it to see how much influence did she have on the overall 10-year ruling.
Okay.
So they have 14 days to contemplate what to do next, and then the prosecutors, they have about 30 or so days. So everything now is basically dependent on what direction Buju and his lawyers, plan to take from here.
But by the time them done all them cases, 10 years not done, where my
right, because I mean he's been there since what? December 10, 2009, and December 10 this year is going to be 4 years.
Yeah, by the time them don't go round the corner and come back round the corner at 10 years, I mean, it's weird. So it look like him have a little light this ago. It kind of
it's a bright light.
Yeah, because the juror seemed to be the one now we're going to make it look like him have a little.
Because her trouble's just starting, right?
Yeah, the loophole kind of dead enough to say, but you compromise the whole thing. It's not just one thing you compromise.
Right. How can we really trust you that you were sincere from
the beginning? Yes,
right.
Yes.
So, it's a good look for Buju Banton, with this latest information. And as soon as we get the lawyer, who is his area of expertise, so he can delve a little further and help us to understand, what it means for Buju Banton. I mean, should we be hopeful? Will he be out before the 10-year time span? And that sort of thing. So we're looking forward to see what's next.
I am most grateful to you, Miss Francis, for spending this short period of time with us, and I hope that if we call upon you again for future reference, you'll be able to give us your opinion and your real professional
input.
Thank you very much.
I'm happy to be on the Stepping Razor. Thanks.
Yes, that's what Keshiba, the lady that is responsible for entertainment, buzz and entertainment whatsoever, on the radio, continuously.